Trans-Pagarassian Road is not only known as most beautiful road in the world, but also as a place where you will probably encounter bears on the road. They might seem to be friendly, but remember, they are wild animals and can be unpredictable.
Nie ma być. Hej. Co? Crazy.
If your dog likes to ride with the windows down, make sure to tie him down.
Oh, oh, your dog fell off. Crazy bastard!
Luckily, this biker managed to stay on the bike, even though he suffered serious impact.
Oh, that's so. Oh my god.
This biker decided to give the dogs the taste of their own medicine. This biker said that he was scared that he will hurt the turtle by picking it up, so he was extra careful. But unfortunately, something horrific happened.
It's okay, buddy. I'm scared. It's okay. Dude, how do I pick him up, man? Buddy. It's okay. Dude, he just moves. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Get him out, man. I don't want to push him onto the road. Do I just grab him? Get on the nut, let's get it. down, please. No! You blind, man! That actually makes me mad, bro. No way.
If you ever happen to come across the turtle on the road, don't be scared to pick it up. And also make sure to move it in the direction it was headed to.
I didn't know turtles peed as a self-defense mechanism, or maybe it was just scared. I also wasn't sure where I should move him to. To the left was a large pond. I decided to go right, towards the driveway. That was the direction he was moving to when I found him.
Chtěl pozdravit, ne? A to štěstí, že jsem vegan. Díváš, jak ty se zaživa. Ja. Kom hier. कहाँ चला गया ये?
Oh my god, it's a turtle! What is happening, bro? I can't ride 5 minutes without seeing something. Or not even 5 minutes, like a minute without seeing something. You got it, my guy. You're almost there. No, get out of your shell, bro. Hopefully you're not a snapping one. Oh, nature. Steve Irwin. I got you, buddy. Be safe. Don't overheat. It's hot out here. Put you down right here. I got you, buddy. Out here doing the Lord's work. Be safe, Mr. Turtle. Get out of your shell more. What a crazy adventure. Hey.
Hello, dear. Oh, hello. Fawn. Well, that was exciting. Groundhog or something.
Go that way, go that way! Go! Go, go that way. Go, go. I don't want to see you still. Please go that way. Oh, I'm not trying to touch you. Jesus, Father God, go. Go! Oh, he looked like he about to bite me. Go! That way! No, sir, ma'am. Dang, go that way. I don't want to hurt you. Oh, my mic fell out. Oh no. Go. Please go that way. Please. Come on, you almost there. No, go that way! I'm trying to be gentle. Don't look at me. Ah, he about to bite me. Ah!